In today's world, artificial intelligence is everywhere. But one name you've probably heard the most is ChatGPT. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It's built on something called the GPT architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. That might sound complicated, but in simple terms it means ChatGPT is trained to understand and generate human-like text. Unlike traditional chatbots that only give fixed responses, ChatGPT can carry out dynamic conversations, answer questions, explain complex topics, and even get creative, like writing stories, jokes, or poems. But how does it work? ChatGPT was trained on massive amounts of text data from books, articles, and websites. Using deep learning and billions of parameters, it predicts what words should come next in a sentence, just like how our brains guess the end of a phrase. This allows it to create smooth, natural conversations with people. What makes it powerful is how versatile it is. Students use it to learn and practice, professionals use it to write and brainstorm ideas, programmers use it to debug code, and creators use it to generate fresh content. Of course, ChatGPT has its limits. It doesn't always know the latest news unless connected to live data, and sometimes it can make mistakes. But with continuous updates, it's becoming smarter and safer every day. At its core, ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a tool that makes knowledge, creativity, and assistance available to anyone, anytime. It's one of the biggest steps forward in how humans interact with artificial intelligence. So the next time you chat with it, remember, you're not just talking to a program. You're experiencing the future of communication.